I am going to give example of the postfix increment operator. When we use the increment operator, that is, we place the operator plus sign twice after the variable. Okay, it is known as what? Postfix increment operator. All right. Just like the example over there. What is written over there, Mr. Ibrahim? That is the variable name. Following the variable name, we do write the plus sign twice. It is known as postfix increment operator. Okay, my dear. Now I am giving you an example of this. Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, what is written over there?
Int A equal 55.
Okay, over here we have declared a variable. The name of the variable is A, and we have initialized the variable with 55. Now, what is the value that will be stored in the variable A? Do tell me.
55.
55. Do write in your notebook.
Ji.
Mr. Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
Do write this in your notebook. And do write A. At the top, you write A. It means the value of A is 55. Now, the see out statement is there. All right.
Yes.
What is the statement over there? We are going to display whatever the value in A is there, and we have used over there a postfix increment operator. Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, do you know
Yes.
what this statement of see out statement will result into, and what this statement of see out will give you output?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. Are you there with me? Now,
Yes, yes.
I'm going to help you, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, and all of the students over there. Okay, remember all of my students, you can note this thing. Whenever we use postfix increment operator, okay, it means whatever the value of A is there, that will be displayed first of all. And do tell me, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, what is the value of A is there?
A is 55.
Now, A plus plus means we use postfix increment operator. All right. And
All right.
postfix increment operator does what? First of all, the value of the variable will be used. It means that it will be displayed. And after then, the variable will be incremented by 1. All right. Now, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, see out A plus plus. What will be done? First of all, whatever the value of A is there, that will be displayed. Tell me, what is the value of A is there currently?
55.
55. That will be displayed. That will be displayed.
Display.
Two things will happen over there. One thing is there. First of all, the value will be used, or value of the variable will be displayed. All right. And then what will be done? The variable will be incremented by 1. Now, 55 will be displayed over there. All right. And then what will be done?
56.
Okay, add 1 to the variable A.
56.
Okay, do write into your notebook. Now the new value of A is what?
56.
Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, if
Yes.
I do ask you, a see out statement is there. Okay, and then we have written over there A. It will display the value that is currently in the memory over there. Now you do tell me, what is the value of A is there in currently?
Currently now is 55, sir.
No. Have you written something onto your notebook?
Yes.
What is the current value of A is there?
Like After the increment operator,
Yes, after the
it is
increment,
56.
56. And what will be the output of this statement? 56. And now I do revise this thing. It will help you in the coming slides over there to make you understand and make you comprehend yourself over there, understanding this. Whenever we use a postfix increment operator, my dear, what happens over there? First of all, the value of the variable will be used, all right? Then the variable will be incremented by 1. And over here, what happened over there? As a result of this cout statement, are you looking at the screen,
Yes, yes,
Mr. Ibrahim?
yes.
As a result of this cout statement, what will be done? Whatever the value of A is there, that will be displayed. And the currently value of A is 55. That will be displayed. And the answer is what? 55. And after displaying, okay, what will be done? The
It
variable
will be
will be
added.
incremented by 1. What
Yes,
A's current value will be? 56.
56.
Okay, if we go to display the value of A, current value of A, what will be displayed? 56.
56.